Today we study navigation using mouse. To navigate using mouse, the middle click work as orbit, so you can orbit around model by middle click. It's pretty easy. You can change this step in your mouse setup also, how it react, how your mouse react. Next is thing you can for navigation do with mouse is zoom in or zoom out with scrolling the wheel of your mouse. And the third option you can do with your mouse is to pan. Click shift, middle click, and you can pan between your model. Okay, these all things you can do with your mouse. It's pretty handy. There are also commands for these all things. For orbiting the model, we have this command orbit, and we can use this orbit command also. We also have for pan this command to pan around your object, your model. And we also have zoom for zooming, zoom out, zoom in. That's all.